Get down there. Go. See, that's down the line. I said that's good. That's what I said. That's down the line. That's good. So you can hit it down the line, inside out to the outside court. Okay? Down again. Now go. There you go. Further, hey, further that way. Get down. Do it again. Come on, I want them feet churning. Come on, churn them. Go, 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 go. That's what I'm talking about. The footwork is what I'm looking at. That's what I want to see. Come on, go, 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 go. Okay, now we get in there. Go again. Get them going, get them going. Now you got to get there. Don't let the ball drop too low, okay? When you're doing this, you got to get there when the ball is right about here so you can hit it. You can't let it get low. Couple of times. Go. Get them going. Don't you walk into this. Sit. Get your feet apart. Get a sit. Now get them going. Get Go back there. Sit. Now get them feet going. Now go, 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 go. That's what I'm trying to get you to do.